Alright, Amazon, today we're reviewing this Typecase case. So, to start off, that little switch there is the on and off button. So you just slide it forward and it's off. Slide it back and it's on. And right there is also the port to charge it. And yeah, this thing works great. This is the brightness. Let me turn this on so you can see. Lower the brightness, higher the brightness. This button actually lights up your keyboard, so that's really cool. And you can change the different colors here. Whatever you want. Battery life. Turn up the volume. Stop. Fast forward. Whatever you want here. Overall, I definitely recommend it. I love it. Having a keyboard with your iPad, honestly, is key. So let me just show you. Just type whatever you want. So yeah, overall, I'll give it a 10. Definitely recommend it. Love this keyboard.